ISSA Show North America 2022 is rapidly approaching, and a main feature at the event is the Innovation Award Program. And today we are spotlighting one of the entries. To do that, I welcome Andrew Asher. He's the CEO and founder with Lucid Drone Technologies. Andrew, welcome to the program.
Jeff, thanks for having us.
It's a pleasure, and I look forward to hearing about your technology. Everyone, I think, is kind of fascinated with drones. So let's get right into it. Why don't you tell us about your entry and the details?
At Lucid, what we're focused on today is building drones that can clean buildings. Our drones are capable of cleaning anything from windows to roofs to brick. You name the surface, our drone can clean it. And we've got customers around the country using our drone to clean structures up to 8 times faster than traditional methods. So rather than having to suspend your workers from lifts, ladders, scaffolds, our customers integrate our drone into their operations so that their employees can remain firmly planted on the ground, out of harm's way, so that they can do more jobs in less time and, above all, with less liability.
So, we see drones everywhere. What makes yours innovative for the industry?
When most people think of drones today, they might think of a gift they get for their kid for their birthday. And most drones professionally are used to take pictures, videos, collect data from the world around them. At Lucid, we're focused on a much larger opportunity, which is building these industrial drones that can physically affect the world around them by doing some type of productive, labor-intensive task, like cleaning a building.
Sounds cool. I'm all for that. Technology is great these days. Tell us this, Andrew. How do you see this impacting our industry?
One of the things we hear most often from our customers is they're really struggling to find and retain labor. It's a growing problem where there are less and less people willing to do the work. Yet at the same time, we've got a demand issue. We've got a huge portfolio of built structures in the world today. As everybody at ISSA knows, we need to clean and maintain those structures in order to retain value over the long run. So we're building more and more of these buildings. They're getting bigger and bigger, yet we've got less and less people willing to take care of them. And one of the ways we can solve that growing divide is by introducing more efficient technology into those operations. So this is something that's growing in popularity and is really the inevitable future for cleaning, especially in this type of application.
Yeah, thank you for that. Well, I suppose we'll see you and your technology at ISSA Show very soon, and maybe you'll give me the remote control.
Yes, we're looking forward to teaching you how to fly.
All right, we'll see you in Chicago.
All right, take care.